If you're into witchy, spooky, gothic, dark academia, you're going to love this annual planner. It is from Conquest Journals, and they make the best journals and annual planners that I've ever found. I keep ordering it year after year, especially for witchy people, and this is the waiting for the night one. I order this one religiously. It's annual, not academic, so it goes January through December of 2027. It has a hardback cover with foil detail that is so beautiful. 12 unique monthly tabs with magical artwork, 4 sticker sheets, and it includes clear with foil accents and writable stickers, elastic wrap, plastic ruler bookmark. There's a pocket in the back, and it is printed on high quality 80-pound paper stock. This annual planner is like a work of art. So planner girlies, if you want something beautiful to look at too, which makes it more fun, then you'll love this. It has a time to plan section at the beginning of every month with yearly goals, yearly reminders, monthly goals, monthly reminders. It's got like a black cat witchy theme, got bats and cats all over it. Love it. If you like bullet journaling, there's also some pages in here for that. So just a little bit of everything. A section every month for read, watch, listen, so that you can write down what books you want to read or what books you did read, movies and TV shows, your thoughts, music that's vibing with you right now. And of course, your monthly calendars with the holidays included. And of course, you're going to plan to hit your goals and all of your habits. So they have a beautiful habit tracker that uses bottles. You can color them in to track whatever habit is vital to you that month, whether it's drinking water, reading books, or getting your 10,000 steps in every day. Note pages in the back. And of course, that's where you're going to find your stickers, where you're going to be able to track coffee, reading, shopping, reminders, beautiful, gorgeous stickers with kind of shiny velour features. So if this is your vibe, if you're powered by spells, caffeine, and spite, then I think you're going to love this witchy waiting for the night planner. For me, it's a 10 out of 10.